This is the method to update the Flysky GMR receiver, the official micro receiver from Flysky. You'll need to download the receiver updater from Flysky website, links in the description. Now you'll need some way to power the receiver. Choose something with a switch to make things easier. To put it in forced update mode, hold the buy button. Turn it on and keep holding it until you get the light sequence with 3 slow blinks and 1 long pause. This means that it is in forced update mode. This is also how to put the Mini Z Evo receiver into the forced update mode. You can now let go of the button. Next, turn the transmitter on and connect it to your PC. Open the receiver updater. Choose GMR and click Upgrade. Wait until it is finished, and it'll go into bind mode automatically. On the transmitter, go to RX set. Now go to bind set. Choose Enhanced RX and click Start Bind.
Binding successful.
And that's it. Thanks for watching.